Hello everybody, my name is Steve Leung and I'm the Manager of Recreation and Culture Services with the City of Barrie. Today on Together at Home, we are going to be making a coffee cake. Elena will be leading us through it. She is my lovely daughter. Jada is our camera person in behind the scenes. Here we go as we run through our recipe.
Now we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So for the cake, we need half a cup of butter, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. For the filling, you need 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1.25 cups of packed brown sugar. Start by creaming together the butter, sugar, and vanilla, and then adding in the eggs one at a time. Next, we're going to combine the baking soda and baking powder with the flour in a separate bowl. And then just whisk that together. Next, scoop some of the sour cream into the butter mixture, and then mix that together until it has combined. Next, spoon some of the flour mixture into the butter and sugar mixture, and then mix that until it's combined. Next, add more of the sour cream to the butter sugar mixture, and then continue alternating between the flour and the sour cream, adding that to the mixture until it has all been added. Now working on the filling, we're going to start by microwaving our 3 tablespoons of butter. Now mix together in a separate bowl the brown sugar, butter, and cinnamon. After you have greased your pan either with butter or cooking spray, then you're going to put in half of your batter and just spread that across the bottom. And then you're going to sprinkle in your brown sugar and butter mixture. After you've fully covered the first layer, go ahead and add in the other half of your batter on top.
Once you finish adding the second layer of batter, then you add your last layer on the top, which is of your brown sugar and butter. And you sprinkle away.
Now that you have all your batter in your pan, you're gonna go ahead and put that in the oven, and you're gonna bake that at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 35 to 40 minutes.
Here you have it, our final product, our delicious coffee cake made by Elena. Thank you so much for joining us and making this recipe with us. I hope you enjoy it together at home. We look forward to seeing you at our City of Barrie Recreation Centers really soon. Enjoy, everybody.